Okay, as you can see, I have a very long joint. You can see it all the way to the end. This is 12, 24, 36. This is 38 feet or more. And truthfully, they should have had a control joint in here. It's probably gonna crack somewhere. I don't know where, but it's probably gonna crack somewhere. But they don't have a control joint. Now, normally if I had a helper, I'd make sure that they were free right now when I go to tape this. But since I don't have a helper, I've got enough mud to run these two joints, but if I do that, I have a really good chance of one falling down. So I'm gonna run the joint and then I'm gonna wipe it down. So what I do, this is what I do, is I make sure I have my pan set up at the end of the joint over there. So let me go set my pan up. Then that way, when I run my bazooka down here, I set my bazooka down, I grab my pan and my knife, and I just start to wipe. So here we go. I'm gonna tape this seam real quick. Just gonna tape it and wipe it down. I'm gonna put this one in too since I'm right here. All right, stay. Hey, it listened to me. And now I wanna wipe it down. And I don't wanna start at the end. I wanna start somewhere right in the middle and start wiping it down. Now, if I let this set too long, it crawls on you. The tape really crawls on you because it gets wet and it starts to expand. But if I wipe it down right away, I don't have that issue. I'm able to just do it. See, it's set a little bit longer here, so it's starting to crawl a little bit. By the way, since you saw me last, I grew about 2.5 feet. That's why I'm able to reach 8-foot ceilings so easily. So, I'm lying. You know me. Everything that I say, every word that comes out of my mouth is a lie, and that's the truth. So if I'm doing long seams like this, I really try to make sure I wipe them down right away before I do the next long seam. So there you have it. I'm gonna just keep on taping. This is slowing me down a little bit, so I'm probably not gonna do any more videos today. You guys have a great day. Hey, if you really like this video, subscribe. And if you really, really like this video, share it with somebody else. You have a great day.